La Foret Education presents French at the Core. Lesson 3, numbers 1 to 20. Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello, and welcome to Lesson 3 of French at the Core. Today, we're going to learn how to count from 1 to 20 in French. Let's start by looking at the numbers from 1 to 10. Here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I'll go through them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you write the numbers down in the middle of a piece of paper and read them out loud again and again, eventually they'll become second nature, and you'll be able to say them without even thinking. When you're comfortable counting from 1 to 10, try counting backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, let's do that one more time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A good way to boost your skills is to get 10 small pieces of paper and write the numbers 1 to 10 on them. Pick them up at random and see if you can say the numbers out loud in French. Now, let's try counting from 1 to 10 once more. This time, I'll say the number in English, and you say the French number straight after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's have a look at the numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, I'll go through them one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, you have a go by yourself. I'll say the numbers in English, and you say the French number straight after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, let's do a quick recap of the numbers from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, let's say them all together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's practice what we've been learning. What are these numbers in French? 3, 3, 5, 5, 20, 20, 14, 14, 1, 9, 9, 17, 17, 6, 6, 12, 12, 19, 19. So that's the numbers from 1 to 20 in French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A very useful phrase in French is il y a. Il y a, which means there is, or there are. Il y a. So how would you say in French, there are 5 croissants? Il y a 5 croissants. Il y a 5 croissants. How would you say, there are 2 coffees? Il y a 2 cafés. Il y a 2 cafés. The word for here in French is ici. Ici. So how would you say in French, there are 10 croissants here? Il y a 10 croissants ici. Il y a 10 croissants ici. There are 3 restaurants here. Il y a 3 restaurants ici. Il y a 3 restaurants ici. There are 4 toilets here. Il y a 4 toilettes ici. Il y a 4 toilettes ici.
Another nice phrase in French is je vois. Je vois. Which means I see or I can see. So if chien means dogs, how would you say in French, I can see 6 dogs? Je vois 6 chiens. Je vois 6 chiens. There are 7 dogs. Il y a 7 chiens. Il y a 7 chiens. I can see 8 dogs here. Je vois 8 chiens ici. Je vois 8 chiens ici. There are 9 dogs here. Il y a 9 chiens ici. Il y a 9 chiens ici. The opposite of ici is là. Là, which means there. Là. So how would you say in French, there are 4 restaurants there? Il y a 4 restaurants là. Il y a 4 restaurants là. There are 3 dogs here and 5 dogs there. Il y a 3 chiens ici et 5 chiens là. Il y a 3 chiens ici et 5 chiens là. I see 4 oranges and 2 apples. Je vois 4 oranges et 2 pommes. Je vois 4 oranges et 2 pommes. I can see 5 oranges there and 2 apples here. Je vois 5 oranges là et 2 pommes ici. Je vois 5 oranges là et 2 pommes ici. So, keep counting from 1 to 20 in French, forwards and backwards if you can, and you'll be an expert in no time. Let's count from 1 to 20 together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Merci. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down your doubts. We'll be happy to assist you. Au revoir.